And I joined band in 6th grade, and I was actually thinking about quitting band in 8th grade. I didn't want to do high school band. But my parents are like, we bought a clarinet. You need to at least do 1 year of high school band.
How did you end up wanting to be like a music teacher? Was it always something you wanted to do, or?
Um, I had known for a long time that I wanted to be a teacher. My 4th grade teacher was amazing. Her name was Miss Jones. I had a pretty rough home life at the end of elementary school. And my 4th grade year, I actually had a friend pass away at school, like in an accident. And it was a pretty traumatizing year. And my 4th grade teacher, like, she pretty much adopted me. And I didn't really realize it at the time. Like, she just like, I could stay with her after school, and she would take me and feed me and give me dinner. And I just kind of hung out with her kids. And so as early as 4th grade, I knew I wanted to be a teacher just because she cared about me. At a time where like I didn't really trust adults that much. And I joined band in 6th grade, and I was actually thinking about quitting band in 8th grade. I didn't want to do high school band. But my parents are like, we bought a clarinet. You need to at least do 1 year of high school band. And I just fell in love with it. I loved marching band. And I grew up where I lived in high school was pretty low socioeconomic status. Not a lot of people went to college. A lot of people dropped out of school. But I noticed that the kids who were in band stuck with school and stayed in school. Like, it was their reason for coming to school, and it was a family for them when they didn't have a great family. So it was my freshman year of high school. I was like, that's what I want to do. I want to be a band director.